Hey guys, welcome back. Happy holidays. I am about to do my nails for Christmas. And if you know me, then you know that I'm really into getting my nails done. But right now, when we don't want to be too close to people, or I'm personally not heading into the salon, it's just really popular to buy nail sets. And I got the perfect Christmas nail set that I'm gonna put on right now. It was especially great timing for me since, as you can see, my nails were a disaster. And I broke some nails. So it was really a good time for me to get some really a fancy set of nails to wear. And I'm so excited about this. So I went in thinking I would just get one holiday set, and I was in love with so many of these designs. I ended up getting more, and I just want to show you. So I'm going to put them on today and let you see how you put them on. I ordered from this D-Unique nails. If you can see that really cute logo. So this is a seller on Etsy. Small business owner, but support small businesses, support female-owned businesses, support black-owned businesses. This has it all. It's exactly the sort of business I want to put my money behind anyway. And this stuff is so cute. So easy. So first I got this little set, a sizing kit in this little white box. She sent me this little sizing kit, and you match up the nails that fit over yours, so that when you make your orders, she knows exactly how to make them perfect to fit your hands. So that thing I hate when I buy them in the like a CVS or whatever, these are not your mama's CVS Lee press-on nails. These are a whole new level. That actually fit your hands, and you're not swimming through a bunch of things that don't fit. So I highly recommend ordering this sizing kit first. It's amazing. So I did that, and now I'm about to apply my first set of D-Unique nails, which are gorgeous. I'm gonna put them on. I'm gonna show you all the sets I bought at the end of the video, and they are so sparkly and so fancy. I went with a whole bunch of stiletto nails, especially since my nails had just broken. And I've always wanted to try stiletto nails, but honestly, I'm too chicken to try to file my own nails that way. So this was a perfect opportunity for me, honestly. Not all of the nails are extreme as the ones I bought. I bought the long stilettos. I guess there's long, medium, and short stilettos and coffin-shaped nails in the shop. I'm gonna put all of the shop information down below. So easy, shipped really fast. Anyway, let's get into it. As you can see, I started by removing any polish and trimming my nails to where I wanted them. Everything else that I needed was provided in this little package with my order by Deanna, the shop owner. Let's see what's inside. A nail file, a buffing block, an orange stick, nail glue, an alcohol wipe, and finally, the nails themselves. They are absolutely gorgeous. First, you should prep your nails for the best longevity of your press-ons. It helps if you soak your nails for a few minutes to soften your cuticles first. I took a shower just before filming, so I skipped this step on camera, but I thought I should mention it. Use the flat side of the orange stick to gently push back your cuticles. Don't push too hard or scrape, it's just gentle. This helps make sure your press-ons will get the most surface area to attach firmly to your natural nail beds. The pointy part of the stick can be used to clean around and under the nail. Now use the nail file to shape and smooth any rough edges at your nail tips. Lightly buff the surface of the nail. lightly. Do not overdo this. Over buffing can leave your nails thin and brittle. Just a quick buff, not more than once or twice a month. In fact, I think I did a little bit too much. I just was trying to make sure that you could see it on camera, but I wouldn't ordinarily buff this much on each nail, just so you know. Now, we're gonna wipe your nails with the alcohol pad. This removes any debris or dust from the filing and buffing, but more importantly, it removes the oils from your nail, dehydrates them slightly so that the glue can adhere better. And that's going to be really important. And now it's time for the main event. It's glue time. We're going to actually apply these gorgeous girls. I recommend applying to your dominant hand first. Depending on how used you are to press on nails or long nails, it might be awkward to do your second hand, and it's great if you're not trying to do it awkwardly and with your offhand. You're going to apply just a dab of glue to your nail bed and then to the inside of the nail. And oh, this is the part where we remember to cut the glue bottle open. Your glue bottle will not come pre-opened. It's fully sealed up, so you have to cut the tip. Fun fact, you should also probably wipe your scissors with a little bit of acetone on a pad or something, because I glued my scissors shut because I just put them aside and I wasn't thinking. So back to the glue. Just a dab. Too much won't help it stick better. Actually, the opposite, because debris from dry glue around your nail bed will fracture or peel it or flake, leaving spaces for the air and water to loosen the seal between your natural nail and the nail bed. This is coming out on the sides a bit. See, it's a little bit of wet. That was actually too much glue, so don't do that. Not only will it leave space for it to weaken the seal faster, but also it looks really crusty when it dries, and it makes them look less natural. So, I recommend that you work one nail at a time too, because the glue does dry quickly. Okay, now just do that 9 more times, and we're set. I've decided to lay the second hand out on the table because I think it's be difficult to reach past the lip of the box to get them out. So I was just thinking ahead here. Now that our set is complete, let's look at the rest of our haul. Oh, I'm so excited to show everyone. This first set is called Sweater Weather. It's got the glitter accent nails. It's even more sparkly in person. And I am mildly obsessed with sweater textured nails. I cannot lie. They're beautiful. The set is called Icy. I mean, I guess you can tell why. So shiny, so sparkly. And the fourth and last set that I bought is called Iced Out. And it is everything. This was actually the first set that I saw, and I became obsessed with it. And now I have 4 pairs. And there you have this year's Christmas nails. I take my nails very seriously, and I don't know if I've never felt more festive. These are gorgeous. I feel like a pretty princess, and I love them. Thank you for coming and checking out my nail adventure. I apologize if my nail shooting was a little awkward. I don't think I've never done that before. It was a first for me, so be kind. We're taking exciting adventures together without ever leaving our homes. I hope that you have a spectacular holiday season from beginning to end. And I really appreciate spending this time with you. Thank you. Let's hope that the coming year brings us a lot of sparkle and a lot of joy. Because this year, it's been a bit of a roller coaster. See you guys soon. Thanks for watching. For the fabulous adventures of a girl and her box, click the playlist in the top left. If you want to see what we get up to in our life around here, click the playlist in the top right. Some stuff YouTube thinks you'll like will be on the bottom. Please like and don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the circular icon of my face. Thanks for watching.